How to Buy Stocks by Louis Engel and Henry R. Hecht. Welcome to YourBookSummary.com. Tracking your investments. It's important to always research and investigate any investments you make. Whether you're a new investor or already active in the market, you can keep up with financial news by reading publications like the Wall Street Journal and Barron's, watching TV shows like PBS's Wall Street Week, listening to radio programs like NPR's Marketplace, and checking your local newspaper for stock listings. You can also stay informed about your specific investments by following company reports that you receive as a shareholder. Specialty publications and the media can also provide valuable information about the companies you've invested in. By staying up to date on financial news and tracking your investments closely, you can make more informed decisions and potentially increase your investment returns. I hope you found the information about How to Buy Stocks by Louis Engel and Henry R. Hecht. This brings us to the end of this book. Check out our YouTube channel if you're hungry for more knowledge and want to explore other books. It's chock full of informative videos and recommendations to keep you engaged and learning. So head on over and subscribe today. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.